We'll cut across live to Lanka Gate, which is where the iconic Banaras Hindu University is located, which is going to be the spot from where the BJP top brass, Arun Jaitley, Amit Shah, Lakshmikant Bajpai and Anant Kumar will begin their dharna against the Election Commission's denial of permission to a particular rally of Narendra Modi, which Mayawati spoke a short while ago, saying it was match fixing between the BJP and the Samajwadi Party, allowing Narendra Modi to make a political point. Rahul Kanwal is joining us live with the Election Express bus. He's at the Lanka Gate. Rahul, we see a lot of saffron caps around you.
That's right. The headlines today, Election Express is currently at the Lanka Chowk, and I want to take you around and show you what's happening. There's massive traffic chaos all around, and that's our drone camera, one of the big sensations, one of the big attractions of this election, which is really capturing a lot of attention, gathering a lot of eyeballs and helping us get a bird's eye view of what's happening. I'm walking you around the iconic Lanka Chowk. Behind me, the Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, the Banaras Hindu University, one of the most renowned centers of higher learning in India. All around Lanka Chowk, that's the famous Lanka Chowk. All around Lanka Chowk at this time, people of the Bharatiya Janata Party have gathered. They are protesting. They're sitting out on a dharna over here. Okay, let's speak to some of them. आप कहाँ इतनी धूप गर्मी में आ गए हर नारे
फुल के दब दुब जाओ मोदी आने वाला हल्के आने वाला। पूरा प्रशासन बिक चुका है, पूरा प्रशासन खरीद लिया है राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी ने पूरी तरीके से।
सपा का रोटी सेक रहे हैं सर। मोदी जिंदाबाद। जो प्रांजल यादव है सपा के एक वरिष्ठ नेता के वे दामाद लगते हैं, तो यहाँ पे वे रोटी सेक रहे हैं। अजय मिश्रा को हटाने का काम उन्होंने ही किया था और इसके बाद उन्होंने सपा का रोटी सेकर कैलाश चौरसिया को सोच रहे हैं कि यहाँ से मैं एक बड़े अंतर से जीता हूँ। यहाँ के जो रोड का विकास किया, बहुत सारे काम किया जो हमारी वाराणसी की जनता के लिए विकास किया था, लेकिन उसका मेन मकसद था कि यहाँ से मैं कैलाश चौरसिया को विजयी बनाऊं और वे उसमें अपना काम हो रहे हैं। इसलिए यहाँ पर उन्होंने मोदी जी को मतलब बेनियाबाग में आमंत्रण नहीं किया।
Okay. You know, you can see the crowds are increasing every 10 minutes. There are more people who are storming, and there's a massive traffic jam on all four sides of this roundabout, and people here sitting in the sun. Arun Jaitley and Amit Shah were supposed to come around 11 a.m. They haven't reached here yet, but the crowds are increasing on all sides. They are very enthusiastic, very surcharged. The BJP, for the record and on camera, is saying that they haven't asked too many people to come, but that we know is not true. There are lots of people who've been told all through the night, through the RSS circuit, that they must come over here. They've been given that instruction, and from all parts of Varanasi, they are coming towards this Lanka Chowk. This place is actually the educational hub because that's the BHU. All around, some of the best addas, the best burgers, the best lassi, the best mango shake, all of it being made available to the students and now to all these protesters. That's our drone camera attracting a lot of attention here at the Banaras Hindu University. Very charged people out in the seat supporting Narendra Modi. We'll return live with the headlines today, Election Express. We are broadcasting right from the center of action. That's the promise we made to our viewers, that we will be in the midst of real people, understanding their real issues, giving them their right to be heard.